welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony and today I'm going to be doing a bag unboxing, and it's a Louis Vuitton bag, okay? And I'm so excited to show you guys because this is like one of the newest bags that they came out with. I think it came out at towards the end of 2020, and it's one of their newest bags, and I know you guys seen by the title what it is already, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys a little unboxing. And look how my mom did the bow though. Before I get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and comment down below which designer is your favorite. It's Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, this, and I'm just gonna, this is what it looks like. The inside though is so pretty. It's just a plain black, but still I like how everything's just black and gold. It's so pretty. This is the strap, just a plain black strap, and I'm just gonna attach it onto here. Also has like a clip right here so you can close it, but this is what it looks like when it's closed. But most likely I'm not going to be using that because there's no point. And the zipper on here works really good. It's not getting stuck or anything. There's nothing in the pocket. Yeah, there's nothing in the pocket, so still black inside like that. Also two pockets right here, so one right here and another one right here. So two pockets right there and one zipper one on the other side. And the detailing on this is so nice. Look at it though. Look how pretty that looks. And the bottom, oh my gosh, the bottom though, I love how everything's just matched, like it's matched up perfectly. Louis Vuitton on the buttons. I don't know if you guys could see that, but yeah, it says it on each button. No fee at the bottom. And yeah, this is really cute and so petite. So it's not too small either, like it's small but it's not too small, so you can fit like enough things in here. And I'm gonna also show you guys what I can fit in here as well, because this might be my like new fall bag, so I'm gonna see how much I can fit in here, and maybe I'll do another updated what's in my bag video for you guys. But yeah, like this video if you really want that, because I'll do it. I noticed you guys like what's in my bag videos from me, so yeah, I'll definitely do that for you guys. As long as you give this video a thumbs up, then I'll do that. I'm just gonna show you guys what I can fit in here first, then I'll model the bag for you guys. So this is not the official stuff I'm gonna have in my bag. I'm just showing you guys like the main things that I use, because I always switch out the things that I have in my bag. But yeah, I have some sunglasses, put that in there. Antibacterial hand wipes, put that in there. Keys, I'm gonna put my phone in my purse. And this is what can fit inside the bag so far. This can go for anybody, like let's say you do have medication that could fit in there. Sunglasses, everybody wears sunglasses. Your keys, you're gonna need your keys, your phone, and like some type of hand sanitizer. But yeah, this is like all like your everyday necessities. It is called the OnTheGo bag for a reason. But yeah, this is perfect for that, and it's not even that heavy for real. It's pretty lightweight to me. This is what it looks like with the strap. And then or you can wear a crossbody too, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't like it crossbody, but it does look okay when it's crossbody, but that's just like not my thing. So most likely I'm just gonna have it like this. And it still looks really cute like this, and you can let it hang like this. Ooh, this looks nice. And this is how it looks without the strap. Ooh, this is really cute. You can also hold it like this too. This is not the official stuff I'm gonna put in the bag yet. I just want to show you guys what it'll look like for your main necessities. But yeah, it's like pretty spacious. I love it so much. So that is all for this Louis Vuitton on the go PM bag. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and click the bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. And yeah, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.